Now, changing plan for your DTH account is extremely easy and can be done via the Airtel Thanks app. Open the Airtel Thanks app. On the Manage Home section, tap on the Services card on the top. Find and tap on the Preferred DTH card. Now, on the Base Pack card, click on Manage Pack. Here, you can view all the available plans and select the one that suits your preferences. You can select a plan for your base pack. If you wish to choose combo channels of a particular broadcaster, language or video resolution, select bouquets and top-ups. Here you can check the available options and tap on the pack that you wish to watch. If you wish to enjoy an individual channel not covered in your base pack, you can get it via the a la carte pack. Select a la carte card to expand the options below and choose your preference from the categories. You can also choose any VAS too by tapping on the Value Added Service card and choosing from the available options. Review all the changes and tap on Confirm. Your request will be processed and your plan will be updated. Post plan change confirmation. You will receive an SMS for the same. Our team works round the clock to provide solutions to all your problems. Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen of the Airtel Thanks app and clicking on Chat Now. Airtel cares. We are here to help.